Increased traffic to your website is just next to pointless if your visitors aren't being converted into leads, right? Do you guys know that according to research, 61% of marketers refer to lead generation as one of the most challenging parts of their job? Without new leads coming in regularly, it is impossible to grow your business, and that's why you must master the lead generation. And one important part of lead generation is the lead magnet. And in this video, I am going to share some of the lead magnet tips that you can make your customers fall in love with your brand. Step number 1. Create a lead magnet that people cannot refuse. The first and foremost step to generate the lead is to create a lead magnet. Lead magnet is basically a free offer that you provide to your customers in exchange for their contact information. This can be anything like a free guide, an ebook, a checklist, quiz, templates, white papers. You all must have seen these types of things before. If you have ever downloaded anything from the internet that required you to put your email address or phone number in it, then you have probably downloaded a lead magnet. Collecting user information is seriously a treasure, as it allows you to stay in touch with people who have already interacted with your brand. And hopefully, with some work, you can make your lead magnet so enticing that your visitors would look forward to interacting with you. With that in mind, you guys might be thinking, okay Shiv, I got it. Lead magnet is very helpful, but what in the world is going to be my lead magnet? Guys, you don't have to think too much. Just keep two basic things in mind. Firstly, it should be useful to your audience, and secondly, it should be relevant. Usefulness is the basic requirement that your lead magnet should meet. Without paying you anything, it should help them to solve a problem that they have. If it doesn't, then it is completely useless. It can negatively affect your audience. They may get completely agitated as they provide you their contact information into an exchange for nothing, which means they'll never respond back to you on messages, emails, and on calls. For example, imagine you have planned a date with your crush and you have to impress her as she is going out with you for the first time. And you went on the internet, searched for the best restaurant, and downloaded a PDF which says the best restaurant recommended by the top chef in the town. And at the top of the list, you found none other than McDonald's. And you'll be like, hey, that was just around the corner. What exactly are you giving me in this PDF? And I'm with you. This guide sucks. So make sure to create a useful lead magnet. And the information provided there should also be highly useful and relevant to your targeted audience. And now, the second requirement, that was relevance. Your lead magnet should be directly related to your business. You want to make sure that your lead magnet should be able to solve a problem that is directly related to your business. For example, if you are a dentist and you provide a lead magnet on how to keep yourself motivated, you could be able to generate some leads, but they probably won't need your services. So you should use your lead magnet to give people useful information about the problem that your services could solve. If you are a dentist, you should provide a lead magnet on how to keep your teeth healthy or something like that. If people are now downloading this lead magnet, we know that they might be having an issue related to their teeth or know someone who does. And if they find your lead magnet useful, they start to trust you because of the valuable information you provided. Now after this, you are definitely going to have a hot lead. You can just contact them and convert them into paying customers. Step 2. Promote your lead magnets. Once you have developed a lead magnet that you know your audience can't refuse, if people are not aware of your lead magnet, you are not going to get any leads. And the best way to promote your lead magnet is by advertising. For example, you can run ad campaigns on social media that can target a certain number of people who are most likely to be interested in your lead magnet. For instance, a physical therapist might target young athletes, or a dentist might target people with teeth issues. You can also run search engine campaigns like running Google ads, or for people are searching for keyword related to your business. Then you can direct them to your landing page that has your lead magnet on it, or some type of free consultation. And if you guys are looking for quick exposure, you can run ads whenever your target audience is present, like on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or on search engines, events, etc. As long as you have properly designed a lead magnet, you should be able to generate warm leads. Now, step number 3, help people find your business for free. Advertising your lead magnet will only take you so far. At some point, you would want to develop an engine that generates leads without relying on paid ads. Now, there are hundreds of businesses that believe in generating organic leads online. If you want to do the same, this is what you have to do. First, you need to have attractive content that solves the problem of your audience. In order to grow through organic marketing, you need to have a lot of content that people can find on their own. If you are not having any content, that means you are not having any asset or tool to attract customers to your website. This is why people say content is the king. When it comes to content, you should be creating both micro and macro content. Macro content is basically your blogs, videos, etc. Micro content includes memes, quotes that are quick and easy to connect on social media platforms like Instagram. The key here is to create content that is easy for people to find. So now, the second thing you need to do is optimize your content. For example, your blogs need to be optimized to appear for certain keywords on Google, or your YouTube videos should be optimized for the keyword people search for on YouTube. SEO is more of a science than an art. You just have to understand the algorithm of different platforms on which you are publishing the content, and then you can reap the benefits of organic visibility. So the bottom line of this video is, if you want leads online, you need to have a valuable lead magnet. And once you have a lead magnet, you need to make sure that people see it. You only have two options. Either you can pay to get immediate exposure to your lead magnet through advertisement, or you can focus on content marketing and SEO to bring organic traffic to your website, which then promotes your lead magnet for free. So the choice is yours. Now we are towards the end of this video. If you have any questions related to this, feel free to comment down below. Now I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.